Hello all, we'll have this problem with us. Let us see how we can solve this geometry problem. Yeah, so what is being done? So this is an equilateral triangle that we have with us. Now, okay, I will draw it properly, as proper as I can manage. Okay, anyway, this is the equilateral triangle. Now what is being done is that its corners are cut off so that it produces a hexagon, a regular hexagon. How do you do that? You cut off this corner, you cut off this corner, and you cut off this corner. Okay. Now you see this particular portion. This is a hexagon. Yeah. This is a hexagon that is produced. Now what is being asked? This hexagon is basically H, and the triangle was earlier T. So the area of H is to area of T. That is what you have to calculate. Okay. First, let me tell you the formula of a hexagon. Okay. Formula of area of a hexagon. Yeah. Hexagon's area is simply, if a regular hexagon, for a regular hexagon, if the side is a, the area is root 3 by 2 a square. Okay. All right. Let me actually try to solve it, prove it to you as well. But it is good idea to basically remember it. Okay, for hexagon, because there are a lot of hexagon problems in a lot of exams. So if you are appearing for any competitive exam, it is basically better to remember the area of hexagon. Yeah. Anyway, so for the hexagon, this angle would be, any of this angle would be 120 degree, right? So if you simply join this angle, join these vertexes, basically what will happen, this is 30 degree. Okay. Now you drop a perpendicular from here. If the side is a, then this length is going to be a cos 30, right? That is basically a root 3 by 2. Yeah, so this is a root 3 by 2, and that means this whole length is going to be double of that. That is, this length is going to be root 3a. Okay, root 3a. All right. Yeah. And what is going to be this length? This length is simply a sine 30. That is going to be a by 2. Yeah. So this length is going to be a by 2. Okay. Now just look at this triangle. Okay, this triangle, by this I means this particular triangle. Okay, this triangle has a base root 3a. So base is root 3a, its height is a by 2, and you multiply it by into half. So you have the area of this particular triangle, that is circumference in black. Okay, now this is root 3a square by 4. You have this triangle as well with it, so you add both of them, the area of both of them, into 2. And what is the remaining portion? The remaining portion is this rectangle. For this rectangle, we know this area, this length, that is a, and we know this length, right? This particular length is root 3 by root 3a. So for this rectangle, the area would be root 3a into a, right? So this is simply root 3 by 2 a square plus root 3 a square. Okay, so this is going to be 3 root 3 by 2 a square. Yeah, I just wanted to prove it to you so that you don't have to take my word for it, but it is better to simply remember what is the area of a hexagon. Okay. Okay, now that we have that formula with us, so I will write the formula again. Area of regular hexagon with side A. Okay, that is going to be 3 root 3 by 2 a square. Yeah, now you see this was the hexagon. Sorry, let us not draw the hexagon, let us draw the triangle that was given to us. Okay, the triangle was the equilateral triangle. Now the hexagon was cut from it. Now because hexagon was cut from it, what is, let us say this was a, so this particular length was a. Yeah, this particular length was a, and because we had cut it, so this length would also need to be a, and this length would also need to be a, right? And this length would also need to be a, because this length is a, right? Yeah, so all of this length is a, right? Yeah, so because all of these lengths are a, what we can say is the side of triangle is simply 3a, right? Because a we add all three of them up 3a. So the area of the triangle is simply root 3 by 4 a square by, not a square actually, because we have to have 3a whole square because side is 3a, right? So this is 9 root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, all right. Now we have h and we have t. H is 3 root 3 by 2 a square and t is 9 root 3 by 4 a square, right? So first of all, this a square gets cancelled, right? These 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, this root 3 gets cancelled, and this 3 gets cancelled. So our answer finally becomes 2 is to 3. Yeah, so from this we basically learned how to calculate the area of hexagon. I would just recommend you to remember it. Yeah, and just a simple techniques with the equilateral triangle. Yeah, hope you like this video. If I am adding some value to you, please share and subscribe and give us comments so that I know what else to cover and how to improve basically. Yeah, see you in another video with another problem. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.